career is more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping that kombucha, either pink or brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right now. Oh my God, that be babe. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sneak? Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it?
Pop my shit, get it live, hold up, yeah. You try to come around at the shit, they popping your tires, hold up, shit. 100 round, feeling like I'm on team. Playing both sides of these hoes, shot out on fucking your friend. I been going crazy, shot, I been in the deep end. She not in the scene, she just tryna go. I just my hoes. I just been dripping my hoes. This whole nother level shot. I got these hoes on their toes. I put the bitch on the road. She tryna fuck on the old. I got this hoe with me. She tryna show me something. I got flows for days. Niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like they ain't know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get it cold up. Fuck these niggas ain't like they know it. Double O kick this shit we told us. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit, everything.
Smiling faces, sometimes pretend to be your friend. Smiling faces, show no traces of the evil that lurks within.
Fake written all over you, hater written all over you, fake written all over you, yeah. I've been in the cold, could feel my toes, but I still stuck to the code. Money won't fold, pockets won't hold enough. Taking my polar now, effing in and out. Take me anywhere, I'm taking over the trap. I see the real clear, wood grain Cartier. Popping the real pill, higher than Beverly Hills. I got too much pill, I give a bitch chills. Took all the small bills, make all the whole strip. You need a weed fill, I get it back on sale. Came from the east side, shooters on detail. Go purchase a new Chanel, I need a refill. Strikers and trap house, riding a V12. I peep the mood dog, I peep the intel. Get it trippin', all you gon' see shells. If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot. We don't trust you niggas, we don't.
I don't trust no motherfucking body.
We don't trust you niggas, we don't. We don't trust you. We don't trust you niggas, we don't. We don't trust you niggas, we don't.
Smiling faces,
We don't trust you niggas, we don't. We don't trust you. You a nigga #1 fan, dawg. Sneak dissing, I don't understand, dawg. Pillow talking, acting like a fed, dawg. I don't need another fake friend, dawg. Can't be about a hoe, cause I'm sharing, dawg. And your feelings, nigga, while you paying, dawg. Give her back shots while she laying down. Keep the clock cock on trust hole. Top shot, I'm going for the gusto. Like a real dog, got a mud hole. Get the Lord, you a John doe. Bubble like beans on a hoe. Rapping so pretend you a hoe. 9-figure nigga, tag a toe. Ain't no tapping in, better blow. Charted popping pills, but he blessed. Flex a couple M's on my chest. Ain't no sabotaging, little finesse. We was in the field placing bets. Still getting chills in my flesh. Taking karma, turning to success. Thoroughbred at Pluto, nothing less. 20 drivers parked at the jet. Whipped and found them to the projects. The before this on a no confess. We don't trust you niggas, we don't.
Smiling faces.
We don't trust you niggas, we don't.
Pretend to be
We don't
your
trust
friend.
you. We don't trust you, no, no, no. We don't trust you, no, 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 no. We don't trust you, no, no, no. We don't trust you, no, 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 no. We don't trust you, no, no, no.
Trust is a motherfucker.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. If young Metro don't trust you, if young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Hate written all over you, fake written all over you, hater written all over you, fake written all over you. Yeah.
Trust is a motherfucker.
Honorable C note.
That is not the song that I'm playing right now. That's the song.
I can't believe we just blew through all that gas still. High as can be, tryna remember how my past felt. Tired ass can go out every day, felt like the last one. I swear that I'd be fine and she would finally throw that ass on. Swear, baby, I swear we'll be just fine, but goddamn, you really know how to kill my vibe. I'm not playing. Gotta be careful who you laughing with. Shit sad, but you'll get hit if you don't handle shit. $500 blunt, I'm not passing it. If it did not come from us, shit not accurate. Girl, it's 4 o'clock a.m. Why we chat still? Damn, I'll slip through the evening deal. Got the action. I'm in Paris, you in Paris. Let's do Paris shit. Hey, fuck up out your bed on that sad shit. Hey, strand after strand, ransack my thought. Hell no, fuck going band for band. Y'all don't have enough. I can't believe we just blew through all that gas still. High as can be, tryna remember how my past felt. Tired ass can go out every day, felt like the last one. I swear that I'd be fine and she would finally throw that ass on. Swear, baby, I swear we'll be just fine, but goddamn, you really know how to kill my vibe. I'm not playing. Gotta be careful who you laughing with. Shit sad, but you'll get handled if you don't handle shit.
Smoking gas and leaning. Heard a nigga hating, tell him suck my penis. She got good brain, she a motherfucking genius. And I got racks like Serena and Venus. I get money, nigga scheming. Up Ben Franklin, he got the bitches screaming. Mama said stop, but her baby still leaning. Pull up in a V12, they ain't never seen it. Let's go do some money shit. I'ma keep it 100 and these niggas on some funny shit. I'ma keep it 100 if these niggas on some funny shit. Let's go do some money shit. Let's go do some money shit. I done got used to this shit. Baby, I'm humble. Only if I knew what I do, what I do. If you think I need you, girl, you're wrong. It's 2 left shoe. Only if you do what you needed to do.
Let's go do some. I can't believe we just blew through all that gas still. High as can be, tryna remember how my past felt. Tired ass can go out every day, felt like the last one. I swear that I'd be fine and she would finally throw that ass on. Swear, baby, I swear we'll be just fine, but goddamn, you really know how to kill my vibe. I'm not playing. Gotta be careful who you laughing with. Shit sad, but you'll get handled if you don't handle shit.
serving dimes. On the way to buy a square, we rock a 9. I was in Little Mexico once upon a time. I started off in these streets, young niggas dying. I done seen a nigga get what's supposed to come to him. You catch a nigga off guard, you better run through him. All the good I manifested came true. Gotta talk about my dog days so you can see my light. Get distracted looking at the ice. Send a European on flights. Try flying in my rifle. All the foreigns came with a title. Some shit a nigga would've killed for. Same things don't excite us. New level of life from a whole nother perspective. The trenches look a little different when you in the inside of the spectrum. The stars came in a door, that's how I know this one is special. Some things I can't rap about, which I knew this was my destiny. South of France is drinking mud, nigga. No matter how rich I get, I still feel like a hood, nigga. South of France is drinking mud, nigga. No matter how far you go, you still gon' find a hood, nigga.
South of France, it ain't no ocean drive. 300 feet size of the whip, you see a ocean drive. South of France and see some bitches, but be wet inside.
Southside where we pour the drink, we let the system yank.
Southwest Airlines, Southside plane to make a shorty plane. Told the captain find a place and empty out the tank. Bringing 713 round the world, I think that shit my main. Plus 2-3 under a name, plus 6 for all my mains. Yeah. South of France, a movie out in Cannes. Thinking about nights in the Mo, I need some more again.
Like Big Mo again, my
Poet twin in slow motion. Her body rock her body, let her touch no holding hands. Another 4 again at 4 a.m. with 4 of them. They all Colombian, I struggle and keep up with them. We crashed the party, pack some bodies like to rub it in. We packed the Yachty, FB Jack the code to get them in. Let them in.
South of France is drinking mud, nigga. No matter how rich I get, I still feel like a hood, nigga. South of France is drinking mud, nigga. No matter how far you go, you still gon' find a hood, nigga.
I'll be dead before I pass the shit. I ain't never ever getting past this bitch. She don't even know what this menu say, so she don't even know how to ask for shit. Oh, God forbid this shit get hot. Here go past the noodle. Oh, ho, tryna sketch out my plot. She ain't get past the doodle. Oh, I used to mention getting that guap, but now I get guap to mention. Way too much from the shelf up top. Feel like I got dementia. Dude, making my facial features high. Feel like I popped a pill. Oh, me wouldn't have done this shit right now, but I feel a lot much better. I'ma die right by my doggy side. We don't fall off by no dollar sign. I don't run out of dope, baby, I'm damn near always high. That's how I live my life, pride, and making my mama proud. And that's how this shit go down. This life shit a bitch sometimes. Don't ask for a pic right now, cause I'm high as a bitch right now. But we don't need to stretch no more. We don't need to check no phones. My shit too fast, if that light red, I'm probably gonna end up going. Hold your head up, I'm playing this shit so right. We don't got nothing wrong. Hell yeah, I'm flaking on this thigh. She don't got nothing going. Damn right, I'm staying inside this house. I paid double money. Everybody keep praying this shit go south. I don't go nothing but north. Baby, I still got love for you, I don't know just yet. You gotta give that truck back in a month. Boy, I'm on that shit. Somehow I feel good for once, but somehow I'm not good enough. Side back for that, holy fuck, that's in there one in the moon tonight. I'ma die right by my doggy side. We don't fall off by no dollar sign. I don't run out of dope, baby, I'm damn near always high. That's how I live my life, fried and making my mama proud. And that's how this shit go down. This life shit a bitch sometimes. Don't ask for a pic right now, cause I'm high as a bitch right now. But we don't need to stretch no more. We don't need to check no phones. My shit too fast, if that light red, I'm probably gonna end up going.
Got me down, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Hold up, I'm trying to do something right Lil' black jean jacket, yeah. Got feel on it, yeah. Got that bad bitch, yeah. Wanna fuck me, my homie, yeah. Got that bad bitch, yeah. Tryna fuck me, my homie, yeah. Shawty gon' suck to the money, yeah. I can't wait no die, yeah. Bad that bitch to the homie, yeah. I just fucked your die, yeah. I ain't even pass to the homie, yeah. We might ride, yeah, homie. We might rob, yeah, homie. We might rob, yeah, homie. I'd rather get caught with it than without it. Wake up and smell the motherfucking coffee. I'm about to put the boys in the coffee. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah.
I've been to Atlanta.
Most definitely been to.
With who?
No cap and gown, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last.
Would you just send me your address? You didn't send me your address. You forget?
She been down, she need some more breath. I got smoke all in the air. Fuck this up and you get left. AP on my fucking lap. Stack it up right on the shelf. Yo, bitch left for me, y'all. I got drip, I let it walk. I got cash, I let it walk. I'm in the by myself. On this jet by myself. I just down and shit the gas tech. I just down and get my fingers wet. My bitch getting go here. Riding around on moped. My bitch out the break shit. Pop that bean and cutting dead. Yeah, she set me, I can't feel my leg. My bitch yucky, she don't use no hand. That's right with the diamond dash. That's right with the diamonds dash. That way you cut bottom back. In LA, I smoke that gas. In LA, I live in slack. Them bitch with you, she gave you back. I'm for them bitch and gave it back. I ain't none of her, she make me lax. That gun on me, I cannot let. Yo, bitch, right, she got it clapped. You can die by yours, but you get clapped. I take that little boy right off of the map. We kill them boy right here, right in the trap. I let my lean, I fuck you and relax. I feel that beat, you running laps. You touchdown in my city, you better tap. That bitch round here, she know she got it tap.
What
I
up,
see
Jack?
that
What up,
bitch
what
run
up,
around
what
the
up?
nudie cat. That bitch with me and now she on the pack. On the side side, no way in the crack. I ain't shot, yeah, honey get.
It is what it is. What's up, Farzo, Addy, Yoshi, Yo, Richie, Bougie, Josh, what up? Farzo.
One more point. Too many, yeah. Too many.
Spaceman Sam. Wait, is that Spaceman Sam?
One more bite. One more bite.
So,
One more bite.
or is that so
One
station?
more bite. One more bite.
I sure you guys the same people.
Too much light. One more bite. One more bite.
Fuck your hoe, cause she like that. Yeah, bitch, fat ass pretty, I might wife that. Niggas swear they pimpin', Scotty sippin', get your wife back. Oh, you know you trippin', Flacco different. No, you
their nerve to what? Their nerve to come back and try. The nerve to continue trying. The nerve to continue. You're not lying by Rocky. Since when was it not cool to fucking try? The nerve to what, bro? The nerve to what? What do you want me to do? Kill myself? What do you want me to do, bro? Cry in the corner? Not come back? Give up? It's so easy to give up, but it's much harder to come back. I like choosing the hard route, unfortunately. But the nerve to what, bro? The nerve to what? The nerve to what, man? Chat, what up, what up, what up? How you guys doing today, bro? How you guys doing today, chat? It is a Monday. We're back. I wanted to ask you guys, did anyone hold from Friday? Anybody hold from Friday? Hey, entry might have been a little off, but this thing is coming down right now as I'm looking at it. I definitely did not. We definitely did not. Definitely not. But chat, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys had a good weekend. We are back. I hope everyone is refreshed and, you know, had some time off during the weekend to rethink about their life. Let me just dust up, chat. I've decided to I took a little break from coffee, right, for the last couple months, but I'll say for the last month and a half. But today's the return of coffee, so we're back. We're back with coffee. Back on them drugs, man. Back on them drugs. Back to tweaking. Can't put down the cup. I can't drink it yet though. I gotta drink at 8. I don't drink coffee until like 8 or 9. But good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? Energy drink in the morning? I can't do that. I used to actually drink what do you call that shit? Yo, what was it called, chat? Orchid. Thanks for the. I can't see. Thanks for the dono, bro. I appreciate you. Orchid Automotive. Thank you, Orchid. Always showing love to the channel. I love you, bro. I used to drink pre-market fuel. Remember that? I don't know if you guys are there for that. This is like 2020 when I first started streaming. Like I was drinking. There was like a trading end drink that was like going around, and he sent me what do you call it? The powder. So then you just gotta mix up water, and then it's like G Fuel basically. But yeah, that I used to drink that at 7 in the morning. Was tweaking at 7 a.m. But yeah, man, now it's just water for me mostly. Anyways, chat, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get into the chart, shall we? Wow, this thing is dropping, man. I was like, really? You can't really wait? You really can't wait until 7:30? It's cool though. It's cool. Should pull back. Yeah, I should pull back off the bat. Wow, this is pretty good actually. There's a volume here, chat, at 7 a.m. This is really good. What are these stops here? Chat, I know this is like off the bat, but I got into buy this here. This is like off of these zones here, looking for like 68, I'll say, levels as my TP. I know this is off the bat, but I was looking for the sells coming down from like 78. Obviously we couldn't grab that. Let me see, what am I at here? All right, cool. So chat, gonna be closing for my positions right there. Anyways, welcome to Monday chat. Yeah, I was looking for positions coming down from like 60, 70, what was it? 72, 73? Obviously I couldn't grab those, but then decided to take the wick entries off of this level here. You're gonna expect a pullback. Even if you do continue further down, you have to at least pull back to at least, like, I was targeting like these levels up here, 68. But you know, like looking left, like there's obviously minor levels to the left here at like 67. What was that? Yeah, 67, I'll say. But yeah, I'm out. You can move stocks to break even, let it run up to you. Let me just fix my screen here. I don't know what this thing is bugging for. Cool. So why is it look like this? Okay, I got it. But yeah, chat, that was that position. So only first position of the day. This is what happens when you come early to the stream, chat. Things happen quick around here. So that's my I think that's my second position of the day if you don't count the Asian session. Asian session last night we did 12 times 4, roughly like 40 something. I think what was it? 1.2%. I think this trade was, I'm pretty sure it was like around 1.1% a dot, or let me see. Let me do the calculations for this trade just now. It's only the beginning of the New York session, chat. So this one was I'm tripping. This one was 0.8. This one was 0.8. Yeah, so early trade onto the session. I'm obviously still looking for ideas here. I didn't get a chance to break down yet, but that was off the bat, like off of these levels, off. Remember how on what was it? On Friday we sold here? Oh well, we actually bought today. But yeah, off of just like the 4 support. Again, I'm not expecting a huge pullback. I still expect this to continue down here, but a pullback for at least before the 8 a.m. closure is what I had in mind there. And then we had positions there. So yeah, there's that, chat. But now let's see what we got going on today. So for news, I don't think there's anything today. There's nothing going on today. Tomorrow you have core PPI, and then my bad, let me turn down the music. My fault. Yeah, we closed. What I closed up, let me see. Yeah, we closed 9.5, 10.3, 7, and then 7.5, and then this is last night. So roughly like 2% day so far. But the NY session didn't open yet. But looking at the way things are moving, it's moving pretty fast. So I would assume it should be a pretty wild NY session. Tuesday, tomorrow, core PPI. Wednesday, core CPI. And Thursday, core retail sales. Unemployment claims, all 8:30, and then Friday you got building permits. That's about it. So it's a pretty I'll say wild week. It's only today and Friday where you have a chill day. Otherwise the rest of the weeks are folders, which is not bad. But yeah, that's the start to the week. So let's see what else we got. I honestly had this level marked up here on the 4-hour time frame. So wow, we actually flipped here. I was expecting like 60, yeah, I guess 68 levels. It came up flipped. Not sure what it's gonna do now, but it's none of my business right now. You have another level down up here at 2674.597 right there, and then that's the range we're in. So depending on how this 1 hour closes, 30-minute count closes, we actually may be getting a wick fill for 8 a.m. but this candle has to close obviously below 2674. I'll be surprised if it doesn't, but if it does, then 8 a.m. we know what to do. Wait for a top wick or something, take sales down, whatever. But so far, like, you tapped into these ranges here, right? So this is obviously like, if you were to grab position for buys, if you were thinking buys, it would have been there. If you're taking continuation of sells down, I'll wait for the 1 hour or maybe a closure below here. But a 1 hour candle closure within this range would just be a wick fill. So it'll look something like this, right? it'll look like this in the range, and then you have a wick fill down. All right, chat? So that's what I got going on here. Just be aware that you might get like top wicks tapping into these areas here for 8 a.m. We'll see how we play at 8 a.m., but there has been a lot of rejections here in the past, right? Or top wicks here in the past that has been created. Like in the last time you came to this range here, you had a bearish candle and then one and then two candles that created top wicks at 74, and then you made your way down to fill the ranges. So let's see what you got going on here. If you want to be aggressive too, sells here coming down would be great too. But yeah, chat. Let's see. As we get closer to 8 a.m., we'll have another position probably. But that's one trade for the day. What was that? I want to say what's 194, 115. .79%. All right, cool. So that's 6 and 1. Update the record. Update this. And we didn't get a chance to sell in chat. All right. But yeah, let me just play music. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't think you guys could. I gotta play music for myself because I need some music. Copyright music. All right. Did you consider learning ICT? I wouldn't say exactly ICT, but I consider learning every day. So whether I pick up an ICT strategy or not, right? That's just based off of my experience. I like to learn off of my own experience, off of my own mistakes, off of my own habits, rather than someone else's. That's just the best way for me to learn. If I don't make the mistake myself, I can't learn from it. I have to make the mistake first. So that's like the only thing I'll say. The good thing about learning from your own mistakes is that like no one can tell you what's right and what's wrong except for you. But you have to come to realization when you are wrong, right? And you have to look for ways to work around it on your own, right? And that takes a lot of quite a bit of experience in the charts, in the markets. Obviously, you can learn from like watching videos and stuff for sure, right? Like I would say, like learn foundations from anyone or everyone as much people as you can, and then take the goods from that person and then get rid of the bads from that person, and then make it your own strategy, right? But later on, as you have already developed your strategy and it comes down to just habits and stuff, like that's when it's the best way to learn is through your own mistakes. Some people don't have to make the mistakes first for them to learn, but I unfortunately have to. That's kind of how it's always been for me. Order block, I thought you said order block LSD is key level. I asked for ICT as he advocate for 101 and even in negative RR on lower time frames as he concepts. I'm pretty sure ICT would say the same thing. Like at the end of the day, all these traders who are like been training for a long time, it gets to a point where you understand that R doesn't really matter if there's, let's say for ICT purposes, there's an FEG level here, right? I don't know what the fuck that is, to be honest with you, but let's just say it's a resistance, right? If you're in a buy and you're about to tap a strong resistance and your TP is well above that resistance, you have to like manage. You have to like at least move your stops to break even, close half or something. It doesn't mean like, and you know what's crazy? Another term people use for having a negative RR because it sounds fancier, it sounds better, and it gets by in the industry is I have a TP1. I have a TP2, I got a TP3, I got a TP4. Majority of times, those guys close at TP1 and say, if it hits TP4, they'd be like, hey guys, if you held to TP4, it would have been a W. Like, we know damn well you close at TP1 too, man. So like, that's how I'm like, it don't really matter. And the other day on Friday, someone was like, hey Don, I'd rather lose 9 trades straight, win the last one, make it all back, then then win 9 straight and lose the last one. I'm like, it's the same thing, bro. It's the same outcome. It's the same thing. Nothing changes. You win 9 straight, you lose the last one, you lose it all. Or you lose all 9, win the last one, you make it back all. And then it's just about your price action. It's about your strategy. Tweaking that. Would have those buys or sells at 79 would been fine. 69, yeah, you would have got like 13. Not bad. Anyone hold? When asking for a lot size, I stick to 5% risk roughly per trade. I know Friday was like 10% or 13% actually on full stops. That was just a massive stop because of news, but majority of the times, and we'll have plenty more examples to like live trading, you guys will see, but roughly it's 5%. It's only the first week, chat. Give me some time to like, get back into like streaming mode. Streaming mode. But not bad so far. 13, what was it? We're down 8% to start the year off. Now we're down 6%. What happened here? I gotta look at my MT5, right? I actually can't look at my trading view as much anymore. I can mark up my higher time frames on the trading view. You know what I mean? Like I can mark up like, oh yeah, you have chat. You have a 4L level here, right? That looks like it's being respected. But I cannot look at my trading view for like, trades directly. That's why I miss my MT5 here, but maybe one day. 74.560. Okay. You might have wick entries at 74.560 for sell chat. Pay attention. 74.560. Where is that? Yeah, right there. 74.560. Okay. We'll see. Depends on how price creates the structure up, because if all it does is just like continue to push up here with no bottom wicks, perfect. If it pulls back to like 68, comes up, then nah. So I'm looking for like 74.560, and then wick entries there should take you down towards like 72. The 25 pip range coming down. Or maybe the whole entire wick fell, but we'll see. Yeah, 15 minutes left into this candle. I would assume this 15 is gonna pop up. It should do something like this. And then it should struggle. It should struggle at 74. That's why like I'm looking for those sells at 74, because I'm expecting something like this. To pull back like that at least. And I'll make a decision there where it wants to go, and then that's the 80 I'm counting for you. For sells or buys, don't know. But what I do know is that the wick entry at 74, 5, 6 coming down for 72 is the ideal trader. Like, what's this? The opposite would be like what, 64 pips? It has to tap 74, 560 for me to take it though. If it comes up to like 73.8, nah. If it comes to 73.8, taps it, pulls back, comes back up, 74, no. It has to be like off the bat, like off the actual pull up. What up, Mod God Green? What up? All right, we got 13 minutes until I can drink coffee too. Chat, any questions about the first trade? I know it was quick. I didn't get a chance to explain what my stops were, but like, to be honest with you, I think around here, 51, 60, 51 pip stops probably. If I were to be, well, I was in the buys, but if we were to talk about stops back then, it's either there or you could have used these levels down. You could use this level or this level. Difference is like 25 pips. I'll say this level is pretty safe too, 59, because you're basing it off of this structure below here, right? Pay attention, chat. You might actually get some pulls, some taps here. How far are you away? 12 pips away. Can you get it off of this push? Or you're gonna pull back here. Man, that Wickfield sell is coming down to, if you caught that, good shit. That sell from like to fill this wick here. Like the moment you had this right here, this is pretty clean structure. I'm pretty sure I was looking at this on the 15. You see how you have this? This was your indication. Then your sells for me, I was looking for below like 72. So like below here, somewhere here coming down, that would have been your ideal sells. I wouldn't have caught this. I wouldn't have caught this. I would have caught some piece down here probably. For the sells if we were to have. Yeah, chat, this is the same pullback. I can't. If it came up towards 74 off the bat there, yeah, that would have been it. But if you see how it pulled back, if it comes to re-break the highs, it's creating a higher low. So therefore, it's going to be doing something like this, which means that this can be a top wick, and that's why I can't take my sells. Yeah. So looking like probably 8 AM for next trades. I don't think it's going to come before 8 AM for us. And 8 AM might get a little tricky off the bat, so you may have to wait a little bit, depending on how it opens up. Yo, you got me confused by chatting on my account, Wade. You're a real youth for having a red Stanley? It's not a Stanley. It's a Yeti. Team Yeti, man. We don't fuck with Stanleys. Yeah, it did happen quite fast. You said got the R8? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still haven't done anything to it though. I won't be doing anything to it until maybe summer. But the last thing I want to do anything right now is I do anything to my car. Just making that clear. I probably won't be doing anything to my car till next year. Or whenever. We'll see what the vibes are. But that's the last thing on my mind right now, bro. If I do though, yeah, twin turbo and new exhaust. I haven't done those two things. Are you stand up? Yeah, I'm standing up. I was standing up the majority of the time when I was trading off stream last couple months. Do you think we touched the 2690 level at any point today? 2690? Depending how you break above 2682, I don't know. If it breaks above 82, then yeah, I will say 90. If it doesn't, then no. From here though, I don't know. From here, I'm still, anything can happen here. You can pull back, continuation back down to retest the lows, create a bond wick for us to go up. I don't know what's gonna happen here. There's no news today too, and you have somewhat of direction today, but this 1 hour candle is very key. It's looking like 820 chat for next trades. All my bills paid. Yeah, for real. Question, how are you today? I'm good. I'm good. Just locked in. It's locked in. How are you today, Eddie? Why you switch to Audi beamed out way better? Hey man, I'm not disagreeing with you. I do miss my M4. That was like my favorite car I've had so far. Ain't gonna lie to you. Tesla Cyber? How about the Hummer EV? $1998 Supra. Ooh, I love my JDMs too. Tesla Plaids? I don't know. I think they look cool. They look pretty cool. I like the Lucid though. The Lucid looks sick. I don't know if I'll get one, but it looks sick. I swear it's more expensive than the Tesla. Like Model 3 or Model S even. You don't fuck with electric? Yo, you see that new Ferrari, what was it? It was the F12? What's the new Ferrari? The electric one, the hybrid one. No, not the F12. What was it called? What's the new one called? F80? Yeah, the F80. Oh my god. That car looks crazy. That car looks hard. It looks like a GT3. Let's see how level car does a little bit. Chat, you guys tell me to cop cars. Chat, the last thing I'm doing right now is buying a car, chat. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. If I get a car, man, yo, they're gonna make another narrative. I don't want no more narratives. Too many narratives out right now. I need to clear them. Nice. Nice. If you didn't close, we had a pineapple there. 21 for you. You have a position still on today? Yeah, we had buys at 7:30 on the bat. Or 7, what time was the chat? 7:30, I think? About 25 minutes ago. Right when I switched my screen, we were like, all right, chat. I'm looking for these buys here off the bat. It was quick, but what can I do? You gotta come here early, you know? Even though the intro is for like I start at 7:30, but like might be a trade right at 7:30. Who knows? Maybe one of these days it might be a trade during my intro. I might just switch my screen. So you gotta be here for 7. Gotta be here for 7 every day. Because today that actually was, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was actually very close to switch my screen up at like 7:15, 7:12, and taking the cells down, but I'm like, I'm just gonna wait till 7:30. That's 4 a.m. my time? Yeah, no, I feel bad for you. I don't know how you guys trade in Cali, bro. I don't know. You two, and swings? No, I have no swings right now, or I haven't had swings the last couple of months. If I have a swing trade, it's by nature. It's because my trade went to drawdown for too long. But I don't like intentionally look for swings. Maybe later this year. What song should I listen to, chat? Yo, we should listen to a song together. Yo, True Hollis up next, chat. Just saying. Shabibi. Shabibi, Shabibi. Shabibi. Is that how you say his name? Sabibi? Sababi. Sabibi. Sababi. Sabibi. Sababy. Oh, wait, I'm off. Chat, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. here, chat. 1 hour closure. As you can see, you have a potential wick fill. I don't know about this though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know what this is right here. I don't know what that is right there. So I'll be cautious about that. Because you might have closed right at that level. All of a sudden the 1 hour below here, you close below. So it looks like you're gonna fill the range, but when it comes to that, I don't know what that is. I don't know. I don't know. But what I do know is that your next minor resistance is at 74. So basically what this means right here is to stay the fuck out. I don't know what this means. I don't know anything that's happening here. We're gonna wait until it's 820. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty confident 820 is your next potential like hunting moment. I don't think we're gonna have anything until then, because 820 is Comex, and I would assume it will give you like what, 20 minutes to play out this range here, and then by then you should have a breakout leading to 9, and then 9 should, whatever direction it decides to push into, is your position for the day. All right. So yeah, no positions just yet, but in about 15 minutes now, probably, or 19 minutes, we should have something. Yeah, no, we're not getting in. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah. If you have time, go drop your charts in the Discord. I will be looking at some charts right now. I got you guys. Charts. Yes, mess with the analysis on the weekend. 12 a.m. ping, bro. Yo, you trying to kick dudes out of the Discord? You're pinging everyone at 12 a.m. Come on, Wade. I know it's 9 for you, but we be sleeping over here in the East Coast. What do you have here? You got 1 hour candle. Nice. You have a 1 hour time frame, and you have, what is this, break even or what? Your levels look clean. You have a support here. I like that. It's the same level I had, same level up here as well. BEB, I don't know what that means. I'm guessing like wherever you break out, you're looking for break even there. That's not too bad of an idea actually, because if you re-break the size, clean should have it still there. Rewrite this low, clean traffic to here. That's pretty cool. Night mode on. You got night mode on. Yeah, sell for a 1 to 9 RR. Euro USD. It's a good trade. I mean, play it out. It's a good trade, of course. Question: why didn't you take profit the white line instead? Why did you hold past it? I mean, play it out, right? But like, what was the logic behind that? It's cool. This is cool. Sales coming down. GJ. Wow, I forgot about that period. Took out my bio. GJ. Sales coming down. That's a good stop loss. Yeah. I'm guessing you're at break even right now for sure. My target's at 3R, 50%, 50% on 7R. That's the R thing I was talking about earlier in chat, by the way, huh? Okay. Your target's at 3R, 50%, and 50R, 50% on 7R. Alright. What is this? Gold, you gone down here. That's a nice wick entry. You went to profit, I'm guessing starts to break even or something. And then, or you let it run. This thing came all the way down on Friday. Wow, and then you're still in. Okay, that was Friday. And you caught another buy up here for late Friday. And then you caught today. Yeah, nice. Very nice. 3 streak. I like this. Closure below the range, simple closure. Nice candle. Stop loss above the candle high. No drawdown, just straight down. What time frame is this? 30-minute time frame on what pair? Or when? Or right here? This was at 5 a.m. Nice. Yeah, that's a pretty good position. 66 pips. This is 7. Very nice, bro. Very nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. What do you think gold would do today? I don't know. I don't really, we're not there yet. We're not 1710 yet. If we break above like 2680, then I'll say 2685. If you break above 2691, then I'll say 2693. Those are my positions, right? But I don't know. 1710 is like up here. We still have all of this to do down here. I don't know. If I'm a swing trader, maybe I'll look into it, but man, we're catching on average. You know our average strips, our average ranges, right? We're catching from just range. We're focused on range to range. On the 5 majority of the time. See, this is my Asian session. That's not stopped. It was my break even at the tap in my area. Oh, nice. Pretty good. That's a pretty good trade. I caught I think I caught this buy. I caught buys from here. I caught the same buy I took today in the NY, the same I took for Asian. I took buys up there and then I closed up around here just to fill its range. Yeah, this is my trade last night, chat. It was basically just like off of this support, same we did today, towards the next minor support for a pullback. I think we did 12 or 40. What's happening here? All right, so you're still fluttering. You have 8 minutes until not 8 minutes, my bad. 14 minutes till comics open. 1 hour is coming down nicely. You filled the wick already, right? And you filled the wick completely. Usually when you get this though, like you fill the wick here, you're probably gonna retap the lows here at 63. You're gonna probably pull back again to like 68, 71, and continue down eventually to like 26.52. What's the daily saying today? It's bullish, right? Yeah, the daily's bullish to close above, but This could be structure. I wouldn't be surprised as long as you honestly close above here or respecting like what level is this on the daily. 5-4. I wouldn't be surprised if later this week you still continue to push up to fill the ranges like that. You need some liquidity, some bottom wick first, right? Same with the weekly. Weekly close bullish too. Any given point, this candle could flip. But I would assume this is just a bottom wick. A low being formed. Can we get 250 likes by comments? Yeah, chat, let's get 250 likes. We had one trade for a day so far. I know a lot of you guys weren't there for that, but 250 likes for one trade so far today. I know we can get 250, man. I know we can get 250 for comics. Oh, it's 8 a.m. Wick didn't get filled? Well, it's like on Blueberry, it's like what? 29 points away, 2 pips from breaking our lows. Chat, you guys more bullish today? You guys more bullish today or bearish today? I'm bearish for today. Yeah, I'm more still bearish for today. But I took buys today, right? So we broke the wall. We broke the 4th wall. Damn, you guys don't hear that through my speaker? That's crazy. Bearish, no doubt today. Master Chief. Yo, Halo. I used to love that game. Halo Reach, that was my favorite one. Halo Reach or Halo 3? I forgot which one it was. I think it was Halo Reach. That game, as well as I used to play this racing game, not Need for Speed. It was on the Xbox. I don't think it was Gran Turismo. Fusion Frenzy. You guys know about that game? Who knows about Fusion Frenzy? That game was sick. On the Xbox, Fusion Frenzy? That game was fucking sick. Fusion Frenzy. F-U-S-I-O-N. Oh, wait, no. Is it Z? No, F-U-Z-I-O-N, Frenzy. F-R-E-N-C-Y. That game was sick. Top tier Xbox game. What year is that? 2000s? Holy, I'm unk. Yeah, Halo, Fusion Frenzy, Need for Speed Underground, of course. Or Need for Speed Most Wanted. Dead or Alive, you guys know that game? Dead or Alive. Tekken, Dead or Alive, Soul Calibur. I love Soul Calibur. That was my game. I chose Soul Calibur over Tekken, to be honest with you. I played the new Tekken, but I don't know. It's not the same. Damn, Unk. Hey, you gonna get there one day, bro. You gonna get there one day. I was just your age at one point. Jealous new song 2K is certified banger. I saw, yo, you heard the new song in the locker room? Lonzo played it. It was a second Lonzo's Leangelo song. Yo, chat, we're pushing here. Pay attention. I know we said 8:20, but it's getting close. See what I mean? Let's see. I don't think we can grab anything here, to be honest with you, but it's getting there. It's getting there. This is very important to pay attention to though, because you want to see how price reacts at these zones here. It's gonna react here at the support, right? But how? Is it gonna reject, make its way back up, or continue break it and make its way down? Right. So that's what we gotta figure out today. So let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Bro's going 2 for 2. Yeah, he is. The last time someone went 2 for 2 was 6-9. No, he went like 9 for 9 though. With the solo songs. Yo, you guys know the game NBA Street Baller? With Vince Carter? That game was sick. NBA Street Baller. Yeah. For NBA Ballers. On the PlayStation 2. Damn, LeBron was in this game? Wait, LeBron was in NBA Ballers? Holy. That's crazy. I'm looking at a picture of LeBron right now dunking on Allen Iverson. Or is that Carmelo? That might be Carmelo. He is on fire! Yeah, again, it's sick. What up, Fuji? How's it going, man? How's your day going? Pay attention here, Dom. Pay attention. We got London on the tracks. Blitz NFL? I swear I played that. Let me see. Never mind, I didn't play that. I didn't play that. Wait. No, I didn't play that. There was like a PS2 NFL game I played that had the Toronto Argos on it. I don't think it was an NFL game though, because it had the Argos on it, but I played something. What'd you do about the money you took from your followers? I bought an SVJ. I bought a brand new Lamborghini SVJ. That is what I did with my money. And then I moved to the islands. Made sure I went far, far away. That's what I did. Is that what you want to hear? Is that what you want to hear, brother? You feel good now? Feel good knowing I'm a scammer? Chat for real though, what kind of scammer would come back to the internet though? You know? Like that's the worst play. Like why would you? Like let's say, whatever number you threw out there, or whatever amount that was, you took that money, and then you just dip off. Why the fuck would you come back if you scammed? For what? To face the internet? To face people? And then you come back and they're like, you're trying to make everyone forget. I'm like, no, I'm trying to make everyone know. Plus, let everyone know what happens after. And then let's say we get to that point, right? Let's say we get to that point. I'm calling this right now, chat. They're gonna be like, this guy's an industry plant. I'm calling it right now. I'm calling it right now. By 2027, Don Vote is an industry plant. That's what they're gonna say. Cause ain't no way. Ain't no way, man. Oh, yo, you reacted off that level a little bit. You didn't come down and exactly tap it, but you do have something here being formed. So this is interesting, chat. Pay attention. This gets very interesting here. Yeah, this gets very interesting. What time is it? A minute till comics open here, chat. A minute till comics open. Let's see what happens there. Because you have COMEX, it should bring in some volume. And with that volume, it comes down to how this 5 closes. I want to see if we can actually close like above 2670, because that would be pretty interesting. I don't know if you're gonna get a trade right at 820, chat. It might be between 820 and 830, but like after 820. So yeah, it's 820 now. So comments opens here. Let's see what volume does for this. Wow. MT5, so much more smooth. Can you make your way up towards like 72 here? Looks like it is. Let's see. I have no positions, no planned positions, but just observing what's happening here. Which way are you gonna go? Which way are you gonna go? We're gonna go up or down here? If it does end up going up here, you're looking at like 2648 or 2674. If it does end up going up. Obviously, if it goes down, it's gonna break the lows, right? But we're just waiting for confirmations. Should break past this 5-minute range, way past it. Tap this level and then start to react. So far, what happened today, right? You came down and then you came back up. And then you came back down, create a higher low. Now you're creating a structure on the way up. So it's a high chance you actually do break. Let's see this 15 looks. Flash 30. Okay. So where did you come down towards? You came down towards here, chat, right? You came down towards 26,676,79. On the 30, rebroke the low again, and now it's flipping bullish. But it opened up at 8 AM with the top wick first, right? Let's see. Yeah, 8 AM, you see how 8 AM opened up first? Came up, made a high. It's not just retesting the high. That's what this candle did. So the movement of the candle basically is just this. Opened up. Oh shit, that's a big arrow. Came up, tapped it, came back down, lower wick. Now it's doing this, right? So it's struggling here, obviously, because like there's some type of range form here, right? This is where the range is formed at, right there. So based off of this, it can either continue to push back down still, or continue to break it. But I'm expecting 74 still, just because you made a higher low. But I would say you have to break above 71, which could be our next buys here, above that 71 zone, 573. But can you break it? Turn off noise suppression. I'll turn it down. Hello? This is my voice coming out. That's not the mic. I like your energy today. Well, I like your chat's energy. Andrew, chat's good today. Friday was just one of those days, man. Just one of those days, chat. And it was like Friday was like that before the streaming, that when the stream just started too, off the bat. But part of it, man. The music sounds glitchy. Oh, you're not supposed to hear the music. You're not supposed to hear the music. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, because that's only for me, unless I get copyrighted. Have you seen Top Boy? No. I don't watch shows. I can't sit through a whole entire show. All right, so you came up, now you come back down to break the low. So what's gonna happen here now? Let me maybe refresh my charts, chat. It's time for that. Time for a clean analysis. So let's go to this 4-hour time from here. What do you have right there? So 4-hour time from right here. You have this right here. Okay, bottom wick again. Again, with another bottom wick. Could this actually break through now? Could this actually break through now? Okay, I like that. Or let me just make this actually the smaller time from support. Because that's what, nope, not in position, chat. Let me just make this small time from support right there. That's where we bounced off of. So like we can actually extend this end. Extend that to the left, bounce off of those levels as well. Next level is up here at like 2671. So you have that range fill. Still have no clue. What I do like about this is that you're starting to form a decent resistance here, right? You're starting to form resistance here, and I guess it can cause resistance as well. So like this becomes much stronger. So now that doesn't necessarily mean that like it can't break. It could definitely still break. And if I would imagine if price were to make its way down, I'm saying this in terms of like if you were to buy, right? You still have a probability of this happening. Right? It's a strong resistance. You can tap it still and still reject to come down. Now I'm going to be shifting to looking towards sells if you start to create structure down here. So what does that mean? Well, that means now you see how the 5 starting to look like this. You have like a resistance here, like so. Next support's here. If for instance, like you start to make top wicks, right? Like this. Let's say you break the highs again and then you flip bearish again after a closure. It will also be a 30-minute count closure as well on top of the 5. Then you can look for sells down, and then this should come down to tap the lows again at like 64, 65 levels. All right, so like we could shift towards sells. It's just I'll wait for this 30 closure and wait to see like maybe another top wick or something to confirm. But yeah, we're in trade zone now. Like between after 8:20 today, it was definitely trade zone. You can see how it was rough earlier, right? But it's starting to slowly break out and give you more volume now. It's just a matter of when you get those confirmations now for positions. All right. And then what time is it? 30. So yeah, 30 minutes left to the 4 closure. So yeah, 4 candle should close bearish. I'm pretty confident on that. Whether it closes below 73 or not, I don't know. But it's likely it's gonna close bearish. It started up at 84, right? I would be very surprised if it pops up towards 84 before 9 a.m. here. And there's no news today as well. So yeah, not bad. Worst case, you get trades at 9. I'm looking for sells done. Well, I'm in sells. Where's your entry, bro? You're forming lower highs here. It's not bad. Right now, bro. Locking in right now. Yo, chat, you see how like today you had an earlier push at like 7? So usually when you have an early push at 7, it would range or slow down obviously the next hour, right? So then you're expecting the next push to be more so at like late 8 a.m. to 9, because you had a push from today at starting at 5. So 5, 6, 7 moved, right? So then late NY should continue that strong movement, which doesn't mean you can't trade it. Like you're still in this range, which is definitely tradable. This range is like 80 pips here. But in terms of like direction, it could be later today. Thirty-minute closure. 30-minute closure. I don't even have suppression on. I don't. Is that better? Or is this better? Hello, hello, or is this worse? The second way this way? Okay, so I just turned it up. Maybe because I was picking back the fan. Okay, this way, bet. Thank you. How about buy limit at 63? You're re-breaking the lows. We had buys earlier off of this. If you were to have a buy limit, it would have been earlier. Higher probability to be earlier, because now this is the third time you're re-breaking the lows now, right? It was once here, or I guess twice here. If you re-break the lows again, you come down to 63. That's the third break. You might end up dipping down. That is still a possibility. So for me, I'll say not for me. But if you see something that I don't, definitely don't be afraid to take it, right? That's your position. That's your analysis. Doesn't mean it's wrong. It's just for me, like I'm worried about that. Another top wick on the 515. $1,500 close respecting. 30 closed bearish, but it's very weak bearish. It closed respecting too. 68. And this is a bomb wick that just formed, so this can be a high low. You might just end up pulling back until 9. Lock it in, chat. Not bad. A minute to 5 closure. Let's see how the 5 closes. And a flip. I've rebreaking the lows on 30 again. So we got a minute and a half to a 5 closure. Is the 5 gonna close bearish here? Yeah, see this? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Kind of the same thing that happened here. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then pop, right? And you see how it popped from, I guess you can say most recent structure. Like this is your low, right? I guess you say it popped from the low too. So it might actually end up popping if you get a closure on the 5 below here. What is this? This 5 below here is gonna be 68. How much is that candle? 29 pips on the minute. Wow. 33 pips on the minute actually. What's your next target? 65.29. Okay. Four to 4 seconds for a 5 closure, chat. Looking very clean so far. What did you guys do today so far? Are you guys up for a day yet? What percentage you guys up today? $3.20. Oh shit. Yo, you're doing great. 0.7. Oh, you guys are doing 0.7 with me too? Everyone's up 0.7 today? Alright. That's sick. Actually sick. That is actually sick. Nice. Yeah, I'm up 1.94 today with Asian session trade and the New York. Just the New York session, if we count that, it's 0.79, so a little below 1. And obviously we're still here. I'm pretty sure it looks like a pretty solid day today in terms of price action. Just what happens here. Yeah, rich. 4% after Asian session. Yeah. Welcome, Raise. Okay, we're looking for more mods, huh? But be aware, as a mod, there's gonna be a bit more responsibilities and tasks. Whoa, what was that sound? Why did I do that? 5 closed there. Let's see what happens here. So at that support level at 65, right? I wasn't really looking for some off the bat there. Okay. It's funny because if you take a picture of this chat on the 5, you see you have a huge wick and then price create structure on its way down. Now, if you go on the 1 hour, the same thing on the as Friday. See how same then right here? You have a huge wick and then you create a structure on the way down. Lower high is being formed. It's the same then. I would say we had an advantage if, like, let's say like we're on Wednesday or something, and like this thing, let's say, continue down like this, or it did something like this where it closed bullish and then it came down like this on the 1 hour, and we're referencing this structure. You can go on the 5 and say it's the same thing that's going to happen there too, but we're in the same spot on the 5 and also the 1. But what we could do is, which is even better, is reference what's gonna happen next in the 5, because that's gonna come sooner, and then compare it to the 1 hour and be like, it's gonna show you what's gonna happen on this 1 hour time frame as well. So take note of that, because we're gonna come back to this tomorrow probably. So you came down, you pull back up. Let's see. Stack sells down, nice. Yeah. You're still struggling at 65 levels here. You have 20 minutes left into the 1 hour closure. Let me lock it in. I wouldn't look for the same bias here as I did before, chat, just because this is the second time you're re-breaking the lows, right? You have more structure. Like going back to that Fortnite example that we did, right? Earlier on, you didn't have structure. You had a ramp. You're good. You're going up, right? But now you actually have structure. So the ramp becomes a lot stronger, right? It's just one bottom wick. A third bottom wick and you have this. So higher chance for you to break down, obviously. But no, this example doesn't make sense because I'm adding more structure here. You guys get my point though, right? The more wicks you have, or the more times you retest the lows, the more chance you are to re-break it. Or no, it does make sense. What if I just go and do this? I can put this here. I can put that there. I can put that there. I can say, okay, yeah. You have more structure now. It's a second tap, right? So you don't have this wall yet, but you have those two walls. But now there's a second person on it. So the wall, the support becomes a lot weaker than what it was before. There's more weight on it. This your mentor, chat? This your mentor, huh? I knew he was a fraud. What's happening here? 5 still pushing. 5 still closing bearish on the way down. 5 is still making its way. Okay, interesting. How much was that? That's pushed down 18 pips. And that would have been within a 4-minute span. Let's see. What if you break 63, chat? This might get interesting. You might get a strong pull. I don't have any sell stops there or anything. I'm still worried about the 65 level, but I want to see what happens here. Where's your next support after this? I'm guessing right here, right? 62. Let's see what I got here. 61.82. You have a 15 closure as well. How's that 15 gonna close there? Bearish too. Interesting. This is much stronger than the 5. If you can get an actual top wick on the 15, next candle you can get a wick entry down, and you have a better entry. But then you have this advantage point. Let's say it pulls back to like 67, you take a wick entry there. You have that advantage point plus the wick fill plus the actual range. So you can go up stops to break even the moment you tap 65 instead. You pull back for a top wick here. It may not though. This looks like it's gonna pop the volume. Same way it popped down here too. Yeah. Same mirror. Same mirror as this. Same mirror. But you did get top wicks here. So let's see. You can get that. We may have positions here at 45 in a minute here. Lock it in chat. I'll say I want to see like up here 66.851. I know it's a lot to ask for. It's 20 pips, but okay, let's see. We tap 66.85. Then you're clean and go down to a 64.43. And let's see how long it takes to make a top wick too. That also matters. And you didn't get a top wick. Okay, cool. Cool. We don't have that enter, which is cool. Close your eyes or chat if you have any FOMO. If you have any FOMO, close your eyes here. You don't want to FOMO in. I wanted a wick entry because I didn't want to take I wanted that advantage point from 66.8 to 65.58 for 54. It was like a 15 point advantage point, 13 pip advantage point, which what that means is that you have a better chance of hitting that target. Plus, that's where your break even is, right? But we didn't get it, so I couldn't answer. And I didn't want to enter on the rebreaker lows or the flip here, especially at the 65 level. So, more waiting, chat. Just a bit more waiting, okay? We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. Let's hear that. Yo, are you guys like, are you guys a music person during trading or a non-music person? You like to just peaceful and quiet to focus? I know some people like that. Me, I like playing music. I usually got them in my ear. Non-music? Yeah, it just depends, huh? Like, I have a lot of thoughts and a lot of ideas, so like music mellows me out. It overstimulates my brain, so my brain becomes more like locked in. It's weird. Music? Yeah, I need music. Now, like, what type of music you guys listen to? You guys listen to like calm music during trading? Or you guys listen to like crazy, like hype, turned up music? Young boy? Hey man, you definitely trade ICT. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like music after trading, maybe ambient noise like rain during. Yeah. Like a white noise and all that. Yeah, some people like that. I like music. I just like the stimulation. Like I love more stimulation. Cause I don't even, when I'm in a trade, I don't hear it. Like I'm playing it, but like my brain's so locked in, I don't even hear the music anymore. But it's just background noise, so it's not quiet. Why be better? Travis Scott. When I'm in Drawdown, I start shutting everything down and just lock in. I know those ones, bro. I know those ones. Yeah, trust me. You turn the music down, just you and your thoughts. And you're like, why did I enter? Start questioning it. Yeah, I know those ones, bro. I know those ones. That's how I was on Friday. Chat, I know you came up to top 66, but it came after the bottom wick, right? So I couldn't enter. It's different. If it opened up and it did this first, for sure, we would be in there, but we can't. It created a low first, then it created a high, which means that it did this. It did this, came up. Or no, my bad. Yeah, did that, opened up here. 845, pop, and then pop. You know? If ADM did this instead, pop, and then pop, different story. Came down here, and then popped up. So, didn't re-break the lows. Again, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see. Or 15. And I had no plan for buys. Oh, by the way, that person who's looking for a buy limit at 63, did it tap for you? Because you might have gone your buy limit. Again, not a bad idea, right? It's just I was worried about this. But this you would be, I don't know if you had an entry, but that would have been a sniper entry. Good shit. I don't be forgetting. I noticed you. 75.477 cells coming down. Okay. That's a good stop. I'll personally move it up to like this wick here, but that's not a bad stop loss. Overall, your position shouldn't come up there anyways, right? Took same entry 3 times is better way you can think for this. Took same entry 3 times. Is there a better way you can think for this? This entry. Oh, the same entry 3 times. The positive thing about having a positive RR is you can take the same entry 3 times, and one plays out. It makes up for both of your positions. It looks like it made up for both your positions plus a little more. So technically, you only caught like 10 pips here. Let's say, right? Because look, let's measure your distance. You did this. Hold on, we're about to break. We're about to break this down. So you did 1 position there, 2 positions there, right? So that's your stop loss. So you did 1 here, 2 there, which means that you only caught this move technically, right? Which means that your stop loss now, if this was to be an actual trade off the bat and you only were to get 10 pips, your stop loss would have been this yellow and your pink would have been your TP, which makes this a negative RR trade. Because that's what would happen, right? Now, this is like I know that this played out, but it's a good trade as long as these were higher probability setups that you have, right? That you've had or you've taken before in the past and you're just replicating them again. It doesn't matter if it didn't play out. It's still a good entry. As long as you have a high probable setup here. So was this a high probability setup for you? Or were you just chasing the RR? Right? So you want to mix the two, because if you mix the two, you're just chasing the RR, which makes no sense for a trade, because If there's a resistance, if there's something that the price needs to tap first, it has to tap the low first for it driving up. You can't ignore it. You know what I mean? But this is actually a negative RR trade now. You see, chat? You see what I mean? It's the same shit. Positive or negative RR. It's all about your price action. It's all about your price action. Now, someone's gonna say, well, Don, you're only basing off of 3 trades. The same way a lot of people only based off of my 2 trades. They're only based off today's trade and Friday's trade. Now, based off of the last 100 trades, I'm pretty sure if you base his strategy off of 100 trades as well, it will likely be profitable. But out of 3 trades, of course it's not, right? So the same it can't be double standard. It has to be double standard in this situation. But look, that makes sense, no chat? Like, you know, 2 stop losses. Like, let's say now, chat, what's the average win rate for like a positive RR trader? 40% probably. So if you do the math, right? Or I don't know, like, going off of just round numbers, but like 40%, 50%, what is it? 60%? As long as it works for you at the end of the day, right? But you can't say that the negative R doesn't work, because in this sense here, it's the same equivalent thing. It's the same thing. This would have been my trade, to be honest. I would have had the stop loss this big and a TP that small, you know? So that made sense. That was actually the best example I could actually have here for that. So stand up every day, I know it gives me more energy. I was standing up a lot in July at the end of the streams. I tried to alternate, but today I was in a stand-up mood. You'll clip that. Yeah, that's a good clip, Wade. That is actually a good clip. That's actually a good clip. Or bit me some. It both works, chat. You know, just follow what works for you. Like, at the end of the day, everything else is just noise. All that comments people make about your strategy, like, you have the holy grail. You don't gotta search for the holy grail. You just gotta continue trading and continue to tweak it. Like, we're gonna tweak it this year for sure. Our stops we had on Friday was 130 pips. We're gonna look to adjust that, right? Look to improve that as the year goes on. It's not the be all end all. It's not gonna be like that every single time. The chat is blocked by the Discord chart, Don. I mean, yeah, chat. Okay, so you rejected off that level. What do you have next? 1 hour closure here. I'm very surprised we didn't get an entry at 8 AM here. I could have sworn we were gonna get one. What's that one song? Jay-Z. Guess who's back? That's the song. Yeah, header pace. I agree with you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Did you always have an negative RR? No, I didn't. That's why I feel like I don't know the people who had positive RRs could say the same where they had a negative RR too. Like, I'm speaking from my own experience too, right? Like, I've had, like, chat, I promise you, bro, my charts used to look like how majority of positive RR traders charts would look. Like, I would only look for those entries. That's why I'm speaking from my experience, right? For me, the negative RR works better. Like, but I'm going off my experience too. I'm going off the fact that I did have that before. I did have entries looking like this before, so I know how that feels. I know how it feels to get that sniper entry and you feel like you're on top of the world, you know? I also know how it feels to hit stop loss like 8 times and hit TP and make up for your last 10. Right? But I think at some point I just realized that it's like when I have a negative RR, it forces me to look for higher quality setups. Whereas when I had a positive RR, I was more loose about it. So I wouldn't mind losing, you know, what, 1 trade, what, 2 trade, 3 trade, 4 trade, make it back on the 5th, you know, because I have so many attempts, so many entries, right? If we hop on a simulation right now and we have a negative RR strategy, we're gonna lose. We're gonna win 90% of the time and lose 10% of the time. Now that 10% of the time, is it gonna make up for the wins? I don't know. We'll see. But like, what I'm trying to say is that like we have a very high win rate, so it works best with a positive RR, negative RR. Now you can actually have a positive RR and a very high win rate too, but I don't know why a lot of traders don't, or maybe they do. I don't know. But if I were to ever go to a positive RR, which I'm always working towards, right? Like obviously that definitely is better. But I have to work my way towards that. And if we can combine that with having a very high win rate, like imagine a 1 to whatever, on average a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, but have like an 85% win rate, I know it's possible. But you gotta just be very precise with it. So I'm working my way towards that. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but a lot of traders, they don't have a very high win rate for a positive RR. They kind of just lower the win rate and have that, which is fine. But rare amount of traders, yeah. I got a lot of work to do. We'll see. Who knows, bro? Like, chat, things happen quick around here. We just gotta go through it, have the experience with it before I can speak about it and add on to it. Because if I don't have the experience, I'm talking on my ass. I'm not trying to give you guys bullshit. I'm not trying to give you guys stuff that I don't believe in myself, you know what I mean? I'm trying to actually give you guys everything that I know and tested. You trying using bear bull flex? I know what that is. This right here is a bearish flag, right? And you have a push down. I know a bearish and bullish flag. I used to have that too. But trust me, yo. Head and shoulders, bearish bullish flags, bullish engulfing, doji, sunrise, sunset, candles, at one point I had my charts in what do you call it, Heikin-Ashi candles, right? Yeah, Heikin-Ashi. I used to have my charts in that. I used to use a bunch of indicators. I've had all that. 4-hour close, yo, thank you, chat. I be yapping. Okay, so 4-hour opening, chat. It looks like man, okay. We might be here for I'm pretty sure we'll be here till 10:30, but yeah, 4-hour opening here. You definitely close below the range here. I'm pretty confident you're gonna get a top wick, and I'm pretty confident if you get a top wick, it'll be like 74, 75. And this is good that's coming down first, because if it does come down first and it makes its way up, flips, you're gonna have that top wick. But right now, that's what I do have here. So let's go ahead and mark up the 4-hour time frame as your resistance. That's pretty clear, right? Going off of this. That's what my level is off of. You guys see that? So making it clear. This, and this, right? So that's my resistance. And then, man, if you can make your way down first, that'll be great on this 4-hour opening. But I want to see a lot further than that. That's a 4-pip bottom wick. Because how much is the range going up here? Roughly 35 pips? Yeah. Looking pretty clean. You have a resistance here though, so be aware. Right? Right at 2670. You also close respecting here too on the 15. But depending on how far the bottom wick is, depending on how much structure you create up, it wouldn't be too much of a worry for me because it's a 4-hour top wick, and 4-hour candle has clean traffic up until 72. If that's the direction it decides to drive into. But so far this morning, you've had a push down, push back up, push down, push up, push down, right? That's what happened so far. This, and then you have a push up just now. So then now we're here again. Right, so this is just a stronger range, I'll say, from here to here. I would assume, chat, that even if you were to make your way down today, I'm like 9% sure you're gonna break the highs if you were to come down for a fake or something, which means that you're gonna have to tap that 73 zone. Pretty confident. It's just about how can we enter. Because it wouldn't just come down like this. It will have to create a top wick. So I'll be very careful on buys above 73. until you get more structure too. So be careful when price taps 74, 73. We might even have wick entry styles there potentially. Okay. So lots of ideas you can have. You can play around the top wick, you can play around the bottom wick. You can play around with the wick entry knowing that you're gonna pull back. Lots of ideas you can have. It doesn't have to be one idea every time. Like you have to learn to open up your mind to having more ideas, and that's gonna come with experience. You're gonna see the same entries print time and time again, and it's gonna be engraved in your brain. And every time you see one type of movement on a structure, you have now 5 different plays you can probably take. It's just about waiting for which one aligns. Whereas if you just have one idea every time, right, it could work, but you're limiting yourself. To both flag. Oh wait, I'm tripping. Yeah, you're right about that actually. You have this, and then yeah, right. Yeah, this is how I used to enter chat. I'll be like this, and this. Right? So I'll look for like this, and I'll have an entry like around here for buys. Have my stop loss below here, have my TP all the way up here. And that'll be my positive RR trade, something like that. We can still attempt this, to be honest with you. It's just that I'm gonna close probably at like 72. You know what I mean? We're gonna close way earlier. I'll never forget the time when I was like, I'm gonna take a swing trade. Chat, I'm looking for 1,500 pips here, right? You know what I closed at? 10. I fumbled. And the thing actually ran. I was like, yo, chat. So I tested a whole paragraph for the signal. I'm like, yo, we're looking for a swing trade here, everybody. TP down here, 1,500 pips. Stop loss, I think it was like 250 pips. We're going to move stocks to break even once we're like 400 pips in profit at this level. 5 minutes after. Our chat closing full here. Bro, I should never forget that day. Imagine swing trade FRR. It's possible. Like you definitely could. It's all candles at the end of the day, right? It's all the same candles on every time frame. You definitely could. You definitely can. High power.
I got my finger on the motherfucking pistol, aiming it at the pig. Charlotte's Web is gonna miss you. My issue isn't televising. You ain't gotta tell the wise how to sound beat because I like an instrumental. This is physical and mental.
Joe, J. Cole went stupid on this beat, bro.
And everything on TV just a figment of imagination. I don't want them designation. Dread fat like a Haitian. Why you motherfuckers waiting? I be off the slave ship, building pyramids, writing my own hieroglyphs. Just call this shit high power. Nigga, nothing less than high power. 5-star, this shit, food for thought.
Certified banger. Certified banger. Push a T. Overrated, underrated chat. I'm gonna say hella underrated. Push a T. Overrated, underrated. What's up, Salim? Salim? Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy what you learn here. Or hope you learn something here. All right, what's happening here, man? Let me pull up my MT5 again. Okay, top wick. You didn't tap that level, but you came some of a top wick being formed there. Fucking ridiculous. What time is it? Oh wow. Okay, chat. Let's see, a minute till 5. It's looking pretty good. I like this a lot. How strong can you close there in the 5 is a question. How much of a rebreak our lows here? Down towards the area? 11. Such a tiny range. That's such a tiny range. This is only 11 up until this area here. Or I guess it's 9 here, but it's 11 on MT5. That's such a small range. Can't do that. I want to see what happens if we break that low there. Yeah, no, that's a little too small there. Wait, no. Yeah, right there, 11. 10, 10, 11. Spread's probably 9. That's a little too small, man. If that was a bigger range, I would attempt a rebreak for sure. Because this is the second time you're rebreaking the highs on the 4. Right, you flip bearish on the 5 again, you rebreak that zone low, you're going to come down to at least create a bottom wick there. That's your next bottom wick on the 4. Which also could just be a wick fill. Who knows? If it runs, but I cannot do anything. High power. High power. Not bad though. Anyone hunting right now? 9:30 you have comics, so be aware. Fire some ads from the stream. YouTube, I didn't change the setting. YouTube just plays. I mean, I think before I had monetization off. Or no, I had monetizations on. I don't know why. It should be the same amount of ads, I'm pretty sure. It's on the lowest setting. Like, it's not like I put it to like the high monetization. I put it to the lowest. I mean, at least you're not getting like 7 ads back to back on Twitch. You know, on Twitch to be having a sidebar ad now, and then you have like 7 ads and you're watching a streamer back to back, non-skippable ads too, for like 14 seconds each. It says 1 of 7 ad, 2 of 7 ad, 3 of 7 ad, and the thing about Twitch though is that you can actually buy the subscription to the channel and you won't get ads. Here you gotta get YouTube Premium, which I guess is cheaper than subbing to a bunch of channels, right? Should we take Devious to Twitch? Weekend vibe for sure. I don't know if our audience has Twitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, how many of you guys watch Twitch here? Or go on Twitch? And you get YouTube music? Yeah, you get music, that's the thing. Trade's taken, only one so far. I'm expecting more, but we gotta wait here. Outside, outside. Yeah, let's see. What time is it? Oh, the 5 just closed. You close above here. I'll say above here. Things are interesting. Above 70.8 on the 5. Your buys are up. I like this. I like that. This new me is to get used to me. I used to be. New me is to get used to me. Can you close above 70.8? That's your song? Ooh. You go into 1 minute, nothing has happened. You know those ones? Where's the volume at? NYC open, I'm guessing. Twitch is whack. Is there any new music dropping this week? Playboy Cardi. Let's see, new music dropping. Central C on the 24th. I don't really listen to this Central C like that. Mac Miller. Busta Rhymes. RP Mac Miller. No. That's all I see. Yo, am I the only person that messed with vultures too? That's for everyone to ask. You guys mess with vultures too? Nah, that shit whack. Personally, I fuck with that album. Sky, yeah. What if I had a penthouse?
You haven't got a penthouse that I can rent out. I can see with James with his feet up on Prince couch. Always wanted to know that they could get a big house. Tupac got a thug mansion. Is it pimped out? Is it a place for the Jews and the Gentiles? I heard street niggas ain't in the top percentile. Real fast, my wife wanna know, do y'all got a gym now? She talking about she still trying to get her waist to slim down. Anyhow, forgive me for the taxes that I didn't file. I ain't even got back the money that I
rent out.
Can't even have a corona, shit is getting wild. Running around without a face mask like I'm Jim Brown. Oh yeah, I heard about your son that you sent down. I wish there was a place that I could send flowers. My OG wrote me from the joint, you know, like a pen pal. He asked if you could send a letter to the judge when he begin trial. Cause we don't know when he get out. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things will get brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Oh, child, things will get brighter. Since Maya, Maya, can fire, we can fire higher.
All right, Gold, for real. Come on. Ooh, child. Yeah, I'm drinking coffee again. What's the song name? Sky City, Kanye. Ty Dollar Sign, 070 Shake. I don't know who this is, but yeah. Come on, gold. Do something. That level didn't break above a 5. Close, respecting it. Still creating a higher low here. You can see, right? Higher low. Let me make this a little thicker. Look. Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. Right? It's still creating a higher low, which means I can still, at any given point, just drop still, but let's see, man. That's how you know if it breaks that higher low, if it closes above that 2670 zone, you're up till 73, and that's your buy. You're just waiting at this point. Like you don't really want to be trading this now. I'll say it gets very choppy here. Anything above here is great, and then anything below here is great, but in between right now it's choppy. Earlier on you could definitely trade it, right? These are your moves, but now it's starting to slow down heavily, so can't do much here. Lower high? Yeah, lower high. What did I say? Higher high? I bet lower high. Lower high, it's coming down, yeah. Lower high. It didn't create a lower low. Actually, no, you know what? It did create a lower low here. It did create a lower low here, right? Then a lower high. Let's see if it creates a lower low. If it does, and let's say it rejects off of like this zone here, and you close above here, you know where it's gonna go. Straight up towards 73. You guys got that analysis or no? The structure combined with closures on candles, combined with volume. Where can I see my entry? Yeah, here. Earlier it was 22,665.76, 2665.68, 266.01, 2665.95, 7.4, 7, 10, and 9. All right. Respect is somewhat of a level here. Again. The 4 can still drive at any given point, right? That's why I really want to wait for this 5 to close above. Look at this 4, it's still bearish. You can just flip bearish and fill the wick at any given point. It hasn't done that yet. It would be a different story if it did. But if it does fill the wick, then that's your higher low, right? Or that's your lower low being printed because you're breaking the lows. I'm looking for a top wick first, though. That's why I'm interested in buys right now. And 2, chat, you can also look for something like this on the 5 or 1 where like you can do something like this on the 1 and that'll be my entry probably. But I see you push up here, then you have a bearish candle like this, respects these zones here to the left, right? Then as the next candle continues to flip bullish, that can be your buy. And that'll be it. Strong ideas here. You gotta close here above on the 5. Repeat. I'm moving slow.
We was born, that old, hit that slow motion, what you got?
Hold on, chat. BRB. I did. That shit. All right, gold. Here we go again with another rejection at 26.69. I know we're ranging, but damn, brother. Something. It's NYC open in 5 minutes. Time moving slow for real. Is this the 4-hour wick fill? Is this gonna be it, chat? Remember, you had to move it earlier this morning, right? So you slowed down between 8, half of 9. It's gotta pick up at some point today again. I can guarantee you it will. Likely late though, but we'll see. Are we gonna be on stream for it? Good thing we had an early position today. But damn, if I didn't get that 7:30 position, we'll still be waiting right now, probably. Some clothes, likely. Watch an 8-hour time frame. I know, man. Nah, it's gonna pick up. You see this 1 minute time frame? It's gonna pick up. You had, this is like the 5th time saying this, but like it's gonna pick up. You know, you had a range here, you know, you're starting to break out. Now this might not be the direction, but you have a breakout. So now you have time for a fake out or you have time for a continuation of trend. But you can see the volume is starting to come in. Most volume you had since 8 of the ADM candle. This ain't no regular cheddar, this quiche. Ah. Okay, gold. Back into the range you go. How many times level playing? Yeah, no, it's been doing this all NY majority, but get a breakout. You're gonna get some volume here, chat. I can guarantee it. NYC open in time for it too. I can promise you volume. I can't promise you a position. I can promise you we're gonna get volume that will give us some idea for a better position. What time is it? 28? Try to be back in 2 seconds. All right, chat, we're back. Let's see what I do here. NYC open. I think it should be an early NYC open. Like not 9:40, more so of 9:30. All right, NYC. Let's see. You closed bearish. Is that enough though? Which way is it going? Look at the 5 structure here. Another lower high. Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Just gotta keep waiting. You wait long enough, you'll get your position. Don't take anything that you will regret. Don't take any positions that are below your standards. Never settle down for less. Always take those higher probable setups, because even if you are in drawdown for the higher probable setups, you won't be sweating your balls out. You'll be still confident in the trade. But when you take something that's like, you foam it in, when you're in drawdown, your beats in a race like crazy, and you don't want to be shitting your pants, right? In drawdown especially. Okay, I like this. It's moving. Here we go again, gold. Yeah, I know someone out there has like this is like their 7th pineapple for buys probably. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pineapples here. All they need to do is tap 7 and 3 and be like, yo, 12% day. Okay. How many bottom wicks do you have for a 3-minute candle? 1, right? Okay, just 1 bottom wick so far. Let's count this. I like this though. We can probably extend the support. Me in the past would be fine for buys here. You in the past. You in the future could be 4 pineapple buys. What if it pops up? You in the future could have had 14%. Oh my gosh, yo. Flip again. Another lower high being formed. Another one. How many more, gold? Second bottom wick of a 3-minute candle opening for NYC open. You're gonna get volume, chat. You will see the volume. It just might be a little late, but you will see the push that I'm talking about. You will see that pop. Like, you should move. I wouldn't say equivalent to this morning, but like at least half of this morning. You'll move, like, you get a push for like at least another 100 pips. Pretty confident. What direction though? Okay, second bottom wick. Cool. Second bottom wick, chat. Third bottom wick. You got your lunch session? I gotta sleep, bro. Back then I could when I was younger. I was training all 3 sessions, but now I need some sleep. Getting to the time again. Oh, skip skull today? Skip skull today? I know. All right, another bottom wick. How many is that? 1, 2, 3 bottom wicks. Okay, here we go. Is this the push? Is this it, chat? Is this it? Okay. The thing is, if I was on a stream chat, I'd just be pacing around right now. I wouldn't be on the charts. I'd be walking around, do a quick peek here and there. Still haven't broken out. Keep pacing around. What do you guys do when you guys waiting for trades? Watch people waiting for trades? Watch streamers? It's less lonely for sure, I'll tell you that. Go on brain rot? Yeah, I try not to. I try not to go on socials until like after trading, because I'm gonna be sharp, huh? Read a book? What is balloon tower defense, bro? What is that? Oh my. On the 4th day, he rose again. Yo, 4th bottom wick, chat. 4th bottom wick in this 8-minute timestamp. Okay, so you have another lower high, still haven't closed above. Let's see. Let's lock in. 15, 30, 1 hour.
Should be drinking all in. I'm already half day. Fuck, I'm against them.
Troubleshoot the lotus. Troubleshoot the lotus. Volume. Volume. We have volume. We have volume. Legendary. DJ Drama.
Once upon a time, 2006, if I had to guess, Weezy F baby was proof Proving to us he was the best. I was kick pushing and diamond dollars right on my feet. Shaked up every penny, sacrificing any meal I could eat. Dedication 3, the prequel broke my shell. That summer was dedicated to me. Now it's boats in arenas and 20,000 in Beamer. I'm seeing numbers, I'm doing the Macarena. My big homies picking they planes fixed on the mattress. Your big homies hoping these women claiming on taxes. Google my net worth and I lied. That's just a fraction. These
That's just a fraction.
Straight doing backflips. Sweet Georgia peach on my couch. I ate her. The new crib come with a
no Bonnewick on the 5.
Ran way back to Hove. High neighbor.
No, man. No. Not that it matters on the 4, but look at the 4. It's still in the wick. It's still in the wick, chat.
I'm really like that. I put myself first, bitch. I'm really like that. I cut a nigga off, bitch. I'm really like that.
Okay, some movement.
I'm really like that. Young T, money high, bitch. I'm really like that. DJ drama, gangsta grills. I'm really like that.
Like that.
Yesterday's.
Yo, this is my Afro beats. Okay. Yo, the music's working though. We have volume.
I'm so I can't tell straightforward, I'm not on you.
Okay.
I'm so I can't tell. Fight for number one. Give me my money one by one. Fuck them up with my quick run down. But you only one down. Fight for number one. Give me my money one by one. Fuck them up with my quick run down.
Yo, chat, on a real note though, it's getting a little more interesting here. It's getting a bit more interesting. You just had an official 5-minute closure below the range, no bottom wick. Hold on tight, okay? Just a little longer. The volume's coming. It's coming. Once it comes, you have so many options. Now, don't sell down for less, chat, okay? Don't just say, man, fuck this. I've been waiting all morning. I don't want to wait no more. I'm going to take a position. You know what's going to happen to you? You're going to regret it. And that's the last thing you want to do right now, chat. So just a little longer, okay? Just, you got this. We got this. A little longer. And we'll have positions. Yo, what's that one sun, though, that I'm looking for right now? Oh, Rema, that's who it is. I can't believe this is the same guy who made the song Calm Down. Calm Down. How you know my guy? I'm tapped in, bro. I'm tapped in.
Money, talking about me while I'm making money. I'm not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna take it easy on my head. Not gonna.
South African Cardi, bro. That's great. I'm making money. Yo, do you guys still hear me when I talk to them loud music or not? Oh, 30 minutes, 15 close. We didn't get fake out. We didn't get faked out, chat. Okay, so we get the buys up then now. Hold on, lock it in. Let's see. You have some volume now. You can see it, right? For sure. Like this is like the 5th time creating a bottom wick, chat. So here's what I'm gonna do, chat. What time is it? 45. 5 just closed. Okay. 15. Lock it in. No music. Lock it in. This 30 has created a low like 6 times now, and then now you're flipping bullish again. I like that. Remember how we said 30 was closing, or was it the 15? I think it was the 15 I was closing respecting. This one just closed below it, which could just flip any given point, but the 5 is starting to flip back up into the ranges. This is looking good, chat. Whoa, what was that pull just now? 8 pips, okay. Let's wait for the 5 closure. Or 1 closure actually might not be bad. If you get like a bearish candle like if you get this, chat, literally if you get a candle looking like this, and then you get a bearish candle like this, as long as that structure forms above these areas here, that's my position, okay? So I want to see a bearish candle closure like this on a 1 minute, and then the next 5, honestly, just like even like a little closure like that, or a flip, even it depends on how steep the bottom wick is. That's my entry up, and then I'm looking for this. Okay, I'm looking to take advantage of the 69 to 2670 zone, and then TP roughly at like 72, 73. But I believe we have more chance to break out now. Okay, is that why I just drew out? Am I tripping? Yeah, that's why I just drew out. Okay, so I want to see a bearish candle closure here. Okay, so get ready. It could be between now and the next 5 minutes. Get ready. This should be a pop though. You get a 5 closure, obviously you're in there, right? But you spent all day creating a top wick. At some point, you gotta tap 73 now. At some point, you're starting to break that structure too. No more higher lows. All these lower highs. Didn't break the lows. What's gonna happen at 2670? You close above there, straight up towards 2673, and you got yourself a solid 20 pip range, 30 pip range. Should grab between 10 and 15 in that range there. And your stops could just be the current candle low, to be honest. This stop right here. 63 pips. 4 candle, 4 fill the wick now, coming back up. Okay, I like that. We tap 70.01 and then re-break the highs there. If you can pull back to 70.01 on this 5 candle and then re-break the highs of the current high, that'll be my position off the bat. You can get the 1 minute closure. It's cool though. It's cool. You still got range. I'll tell you one thing though. You pull back here. Quick entries. All right, that was it. Chat. Gone buys here, chat. How many positions I just enter? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, chat. Gone buys here, chat. Gone buys off of that high right there. Entry was 71.54. TP is up here, and stop loss is gonna be the candle lows. Okay, that is my position here. So let's see what happens here. Can you get a pop up? I'm looking for like 73.08, to be honest. That's a pretty good level. You see this 5 no top wick here? Right there. This right here. This is your TP. This is very key to pay attention to. All right. Entry was 71.54. So right around there. Okay. $73.01 is TP. Pay attention to this candle, no bottom wick. If you can get a pop, break the highs, prepare to close. All right, chat, I'm out. I am out, my friends. What do we do there? Yeah, I'm out. W trade chat. It was well worth it. You got the volume, okay? I don't think it's done yet. This is like the start of the volume. Expect more volume, but just taking advantage of this. Like all morning, we were talking about how you need a top wick if you were continue down here. Losing my voice. And look, you came up, tapped it. So let's see what happens here. Pay attention. I don't think taking a sell would be the greatest idea because you spent all morning creating a bottom wick. So you all morning, you create a structure, right? This is all you did all morning. Like you came like down and then boom, 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 boom. And then you did all of this and then NYC open came, pop, back up. Waiting, it's gonna go now. Up, right? Look at that. It's structure, it's a fake out, right? So then now we can look for more buys going up still. So I'm still looking for buys up, but let's see. What time is it? It is 9:51. You have a 1 hour closure. Okay, 1 hour might not have no top wick, which means you might have potential positions before the 1 hour closure here. But I am gonna be, so we're out of that. What percent did I make there in that trade? Let's see. So that was like a 0.70 again. What was it? 1.94% earlier. So now I'm up. Now we're up. 0.71. So 0.71 plus 0.79. 1.5% for the day. Okay, not bad. Let her go buy. So looking for more trades, chat. I think I'm up 2.65 for the day. Not bad. Not bad. Expect more pops, chat. Okay, don't be surprised. We know we were waiting for this move the entire morning. Now it's just taking advantage of it, right? So you came up, you're obviously tapping a pretty decent level here. I wouldn't worry too much about it, but I would worry enough to not take a position. But I'm pretty sure this isn't that strong no more because we create structure up. If you didn't create structure up, I would say this is pretty strong. But look, all morning, pop, right? So, let's see what we can wait for. 1 hour closure in about 6 minutes here. Yeah, I'll say I need pullback, to be honest, to like 71 zones to be wick entries up, because then you're going to retest the highs here. All right, and then eventually 68. So late today, but you guys understand the concept why it was so late today, right? Because you had an earlier push today. So obviously this will be a little later. If you pull back to like 71 right here, chat, 73, we might get wick entry buys up. Before 10 a.m. here too. Yeah, I'll say 71.89. If you can pull back on this single 1 minute candle, that'll be a wick entry buy up. You need to move 15 pips down first. Maybe slightly below it. I'll say closer to like 71 because that's the 5 minute flip. Then you have the flip up until the actual flip, which is 7 pips. if it comes down. I have so many levels on my screen right now. Let me delete all these levels. What's your daddy? What else is a banger from this album? Yo, I can't believe this. Chat, you know who this is, chat? This is the same guy who made this song. This guy did a 180. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Another banger. Ooh. Where'd you tap? Where'd you tap? Alright, chat. Getting bias here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone bias here, chat, as you came down for a bottom wick. Yeah, gone bias here, chat. Alright. So looking for just a flip back up towards like 74 levels, I'll say. Entries were 72.50. Alright? That's not position. So gone buys here again. Second buys now. Got a little higher than that. TP up here. I'm just gonna put TP here, but our stop loss below here, okay? Pay attention. There could be pineapples here too. It doesn't flip. Next pineapple would be roughly, I'll say 2670.89. That's the next pineapple position. Depending on how the 1 hour close to, pay attention. We could be closing at break even depending. All right, this is gonna be like try to react fast to everything that I break down. Can you flip? All right, chat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second positions here. Enter just now again. Second positions. Off of this level right here on the 5, 71.364. I want to see if you can actually flip here. If we flip, we'll grab the full move. If we don't, then we'll still grab the to the break even point. Or no, to like I think it's 12 there, up into the last entry. All right. Stop loss the same level. We'll look for ways to manage as the candle is still open. You get a flip on this 5. You have a minute to a 1 hour closure here. Wow, 1 hour might flip here, huh? If the 1 hour close is bearish, we'll look for ways to manage. But we're still like 28 pips away. I'll say like bearish closure will have to be like below 6.8 or something here. 6.8. 0.09, I'll say roughly. Can you get a pop? Chat, my second position is here. 71.43. What was it? Oh, 71.62. Right here. That's my second position. Can you pop? 72.53, can that be tapped? I have to push now. Otherwise, you could come down towards 70 here. If this 1 minute flips. Now you have a 1 hour closure here too. Right, you have a one hour closure in 20 seconds. You have a wick fill up. But yeah, pop prior right before the close. Get a pop. All right, chat. I closed full there. I closed 4 more positions right there. That wasn't the craziest position, to be honest with you. Like, yeah, like that was like pretty much break even, I'll say. That was pretty much break even. We did here. I'll show you guys. We did. That position was break even. This was 5.4, 4.8. I think a little more in profit, but like maybe like 3 pips or something like that. Here. That wasn't anything crazy. I'll wait for the 1 hour closure to open up, but depending on how this looks here, we could call it a day, because if you actually don't continue up here and you close back below the range here, if you end up just making your way down below like 68 here, then I'm probably gonna call it a day, because that might be the directional push for the day. But this really matters here because you create a structure so far where you have a low here, you have a high here, this is the range you're in, you break the lows and you're making your way further down, right? So let's see that. What was that position there? I think I made like, let's see. What I made. Yeah, break even, like literally nothing. Yeah, like we did 0.10% there, which is break even. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait to see what happens here next. But to be honest with you, it could be a day, chat. That might be it for me. We tried. If there's one more position, it must be obviously a nice position. But if you make your way down, I'm gonna call it a day, because then I can't reprice after. I have no idea where it wants to go. It could just be this could just been a fake out for us to rip back into the ranges, right? Which is a possibility. And if that is, then that's it. We did go by is 0.10, which is like I think 10 pips, something like that, or 8 pips total out of 4. Okay, chat. But you guys see why I added a pineapple? We were expecting the topic to come up worst case towards our entry point. If it wasn't, yeah, that was it. Off the opening, the 1 hour can you have a wick to fill too. That was there, so I wasn't really worried about the 1 hour. If I would have been worried with the 1 hour close bearish for sure, right? Because then we'll manage, like we'll literally manage it. If the 1 hour close bearish like this, the last like couple of minutes here, then we'll wait for a low and then a high, and then wherever that low is, we'll put our stop there instead. So we'll cut it to like a quarter off of the original stops. But I can't complain with that. 0.79, 0.71, and then 0.10. That's like what? What you guys do there, chat? 1.6 for a day. I mean, shit. The move happened so early today. We barely had anything after for us, right? So, not bad. I'll take it. 2.76 for me overall today, including Asian session. And I think for the year we're down like 5.4% now. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if it breaks the lows here or not. You came down, hover, hover, hover. See rejections here. 30 minute close above most recent. 15 close above most recent. Let's see. What'd you guys do there, chat, today? 2% today? Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Is Asian volume back? It was back. It was there yesterday. I'm not gonna say like it's not there. Like I'm just saying like when I'm referencing like quarter 3 has the best Asian session, it has the best. Doesn't mean it's not gonna move like quarter 1, quarter 2. You know what I mean? Like last time was pretty good. Yeah, like what was the push last night, chat? Was it this? Yeah, like a push for like what is this? 100 pips? Yeah, 120 last night at around 8 on the opening. That's pretty good. That's pretty good Asian. Why not sells? We could look for sells too. It's just if I were to look for sells, it would have. My idea was here for buys up, right? That was my idea as we came up. Since you closed bearish here, yeah, you could come down, but I would have preferred taking advantage of the sells here. I had the buy idea there, so I can't really go back and obviously take that entry again. So this I obviously can't be part of. Below here, sure, but that's the thing, like it's already 10. I would imagine if it makes its way down, towards 60, it's gonna be like 10.30, right? I'd rather just call it then with 3 trades right in, or 4 trades including Asian. So time is a factor here too for me. You have no folders, right? Do you have any minor folders here today? Nothing? You got Thursday, or no, what am I saying? Monday, nothing. You have nothing. 2 p.m. folder, that's about it. So it's up to you. Like if you haven't had your trades yet, you can still stick around. I'll give it like another 15 minutes here. I really want to see what happens here. If you break the highs again, then yeah, more buys up. Let me restart my charts though. So this is what I got right now, chat. Keep things simple and short. You have this right here, some type of resistance here. Yeah, more supports down here. Yeah, this range is definitely tradable. If you're looking for sells, 74 down to 68. What's gonna happen here though, right? That's what you're questioning right now. That's what I'm questioning. You have a support here. Price bounced off of it. Let's see.
Nigga don't. Everybody start acting weird when I go. If I get a deal, I get the match. I be with my girls and say I asked them. When I'm chillin', I'm arrested. I'm tryna kick it with your homie and mess it. Niggas hating on it cause I turn my tongue on. Living in these niggas, he ain't even turn one. Especially on my cousin, I only with a fur one. He said he got a plug when he ain't even deserve one. Yeah, I fucked the bit, but that's my fine though. Yeah, pull up in a beam and on no bands hoe. Sweet hoe acting like an angel. She wanna take a trip out the Canco. Came with the bros and we stayed good. On the rest today, yeah, it's ain't fair. Yeah, I hit your hoe and I ain't pink hair. Word for my hoe and I got pink chips. Pink chips. When I'm out of town, I drop 50 like I'm cold.
Like I'm cold.
I don't watch the meditators cause I'm always running chrome. Find her other bitch, only number that I know. I don't let it fall until I die for stars on my song. They hate me cause I'm rich, but they love when I'm close. But let's see how you tricks, I fucked around and bought a scope. When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Why you taking pictures in that lamb? He don't own one. Shades on my face, got the yard, he's the chrome one. He say he a rapper, I ain't never heard.
Oh, rejection. Yo, rejection chat. Rejection. It's getting hot in here, yo. Let's see, I had a bottom wick. Let's see if this will last. This is structured. This is nice. Ain't gonna lie to you. You have something here. You got something here that's way more established now. This ain't looking too bad. Chat. This ain't looking too bad. You can have ideas to go up towards 74 or wait till 74 to close. I have no ideas right now though, in case you guys are wondering. I have no ideas for buys in this range going up because I'm still unsure of this 69 level. I'm very unsure. I would assume my position from earlier, the first one, was going to be the actual thing. I wasn't expecting that position to have a pineapple. I was expecting more so the second, the first one we took on stream to have a pineapple than that second position to have a pineapple. Sorry chat, I was reading something. Risky is a 5-minute entry, better entry on 30-minute next bottom wick. Hey, that's in about 20 minutes. I will probably be off though, I ain't gonna lie to you. Did you win Friday? No, we lost 13% on Friday. He say he a trader, I ain't never see him live trade. Why don't sell below 2669? We have 4-pip advantage point, 2699. Yeah. Let's see if it breaks below 69. That's not a bad idea. That is not a bad idea. But I think if that happens, I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. Because at this point, it's getting a little late here. Oh, there goes a break. Looks like we're gonna call that a day, chat. What do you have next? 15 closure in 3 minutes. Yeah, that might be it. I'll wait for the 15 closure, but this might be it, chat. I'm not really interested. I'm not as interested anymore. It'll be Monday though. Not bad to start the week off, right? I'll give it 15. We could have a position, could not. We'll see. You're peeping that hard, huh? Thanks for supporting, bro. I appreciate you. Big W's in the chat. Big dubs in the chat. W day today, chat. Big dubs in the chat. Yo, leave a like too, chat, if you guys are new to the stream. And sub to the channel, especially if you haven't seen the channel yet. Let's get to, I don't know how many likes we're at. Wait, where are we at? I know we should well be past 500 trades, 500 trades. 500 likes though. We should be well past 500 likes, okay? For sure. That's 3 trades today, chat. I know they weren't anything crazy, but you know, we did our best today. We waited like an hour and a half for 3 trades today, which require a lot of patience. I was patient. I was patient. W stream, chat. W stream.
My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping out of Bentley, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money, I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like I had it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 bad bitches, yeah. But they didn't know me last year, yeah.
It's been a good day. So we didn't bounce back again completely from we didn't bounce back from Friday, right? But it's not about bouncing back off the bat. Sometimes it takes a couple days, sometimes it takes time, right? So as long as you don't have that in your mind to like make it all back within a day, slowly you will get it back, right? Again, we're still up, what was it? I think 18% now from the last loss we had, including that one on Friday, right? So keep trading, keep going, and we'll be here tomorrow. All right, as long as you're disciplined, you're patient, you wait for your setup, things will be okay. And from the losses, you do learn from them as well. So that's also another W. It gives you more time to reflect and think about what you did wrong. And that's what we did during the weekend. We came back strong on Monday. So let's keep that going, chat. Okay? I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow at 7 a.m. Be there sharp. There might be early trades. Again, I can't control the time. Today there was an early trade. All right? So, chat. Love you guys, bro. Appreciate you guys. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of your day, chat. Peace out.
Young nigga graduation. I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Never old Ben Franklin. Big rings, champagne. My life is like a ball game. But instead I'm in a trap though. Pot so big, call it Super Bowl. Super Bowl, call the hoes. Get in the rolls. Top flow lifestyle. Huncho and post. Malone. I got a play on my phone. You know what I'm on. Huncho Houdini is gone.
My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
Huh. Oh, I got a song we can play. I got a song.
Pressure on me, walking, ain't no stressing, you see. They're saying what they're saying, I'm just saying, get no fuss what you think. Here's so much stuff, people talking. On my way, this blunt won't smoke itself. This is close, I hear myself, the intuition, that's what I got. Many people wondering what's up with him, but do they know Scott? A nigga with some new dreams and a sexy mama. Oh, I see, let's play. The sky is blue, oh finally been dreaming of this for a while. The sun is shining, blinding, swimming in this place of mine. Help me out, pass that blood, my guy. We're all on a quest to climb and we're all on it. Couple days I'm playing and I'm laying on the beach cooling out. Asking myself, are you happy? And I might think this is the route. The things I thought I needed, please. Found my peace, so ain't no turning back. Whoa. The days, the weeks, the time, it all seems to go. It's okay, I would say, relax in the moment, you know. Been living what I dream, been running in a dream, huh? Let's play. The sky
Whenever I hear this song, chat, I think of the fact that bro be walking out to a Blue Cloud Arthur type beat. Like, I swear.
No pressure on me, walking, ain't no stressing, you see. They saying what they saying, I'm just saying, get no fuss what you think. Here's so much of people talking. On my way, this blunt won't smoke itself.
Hold on.
Pressure on me, walking, ain't no stressing, you see. They saying what they saying, I'm just saying, get no fuss what you think. Here's so much of people talking. On my way, this blunt won't smoke itself. Listen close, I hear myself, the intuition, that's what I got. Many people wondering what's up with him, but do they know Scott? A nigga with some new dreams and a sexy mama. I see, let's play. The sky is blue, oh finally. Been dreaming of this for a while. The sun is shining, blinding, swimming in this place of mine. Help me out, pass that blood, my guy. We're all on a quest to climb, and we're all on way. Too damn high, yeah, I'm such a fly guy. Said there's nothing there, I live up on the in-between lines. I decided, man, it's such a right time. Take it to heaven, you said you never seen it, can't believe it, alright. And I can't be faded, yeah, I'm jaded, alright. Girl, let's try to get the date, but see, I'm just too picky though. Said just pick 'em for later, she want me but don't think she out. Taking them now, go later, I'm ballin' in the amount. See me, I'm going the sauce and the flavor, the money come in, I can't count. See no time with no bitches or hater, you talking, I'm shining out. Help them know find them a play, flapping they gyps and they chest for clout. I'm too plus, I ain't worried my babe. Too damn high, I am, 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 too damn high.
Fatty, fuck he saying, fuck he time out, give me fatty. On her X, someone I drink, shit getting steady. Can't feel my face, no. Baby, taste it, ain't shit basic. Soldiers in my places. Open that marshal, open that marshal. Give me mouth, don't talk back to me, I don't do gossip. Heard that nigga on some smoke, need the boss up. Is it smoky? Heard he heard I fucked this bean, that's why he offers. Back up off me, back up off me. Too many losses in this spot, bitch, back up off, get the fuck back. Fuck with that pussy nigga saying my neck a faucet. My bitch a faucet, back up off it, it's us.
Too damn high, I am, 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 too damn high, I am. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah. It's like that. It checks under the tank. Yeah. I'm dreaming like I'm 7, I'm in heaven, homie. You can catch me on my dollar while they think they know me. Hands up to God, never let me lonely. Zip it silently at night, got that 40 by me. Keep it by my side, so there's no bony. Last night's get explicit, it's visit. We go live on the mission, we to the sky. I give no fucks about their feelings, I'm doing mine. See it's live for my niggas, it's go time. Smoking out while we whipping in the city lights. Happy with this gold on the side like me. Spitty for these ladies and they all like me. And you think you look the same, nah, not like my dollar, why they think they know me? Hands up to God, never let me lonely. Zip it silent, you know I got that body by me. Keep it on my side, so take no bony. Last nights get explicit, it's visit. We go live on a mission, we to the sky. I get no fucks about their feelings, I'm doing mine.
Tune in this bitch nigga, I tuned out these bitch niggas. Pop off and we gon' make balloons out these bitch niggas. She a eater, she gon' make a spoon out this dick nigga. Ain't shit sweet, but I can make perfume out this shit nigga. Yeah, ain't no complaints, just moolah gang, you know the gang nigga. Everybody woke and I feel like the aura ring, nigga. Life is good. If I had holes in my game, I'd be Tiger Woods. Only twice as good, dreaming.
I'm dreaming like I'm 7, I'm in heaven, homie. You can catch me on my dollar, why they think they know me? Hands up to God, never let me lonely. Zip it silent, you know I got that body by me. Keep it on my side, so take no bony. Last nights get explicit, it's visit. We go live on a mission, we to the sky. I get no fucks about their feelings, I'm doing mine.
I'm dreaming like I'm 7, I'm in heaven, homie. You can catch me on my dollar, why they think they know me? Hands up to God, never left me lonely. Sleeping silent at night, got that body by me. Keep up on my side, so take no bony. Fast nights get explicit, it's lizard. Yeah, we go live on a mission, we to the sky. I give no fucks about their feelings, I'm doing mine.
It's just something different about that funky wizard smoke. Could be the texture, possibly the aroma, or maybe it's just the feel.
Yeah. If you got some pain, it's cool. If you got that swing, it's cool. Yeah. If you got some pain, it's cool. If you got that swing, it's cool. Yeah. If you got some pain, it's cool. If you got that swing, it's cool.
Yeah. Pull up on the light window tinted.
Nice. All right, chat, I'm out, y'all. Peace out, chat. Love you guys. Have a good day, everybody. I'll see y'all tomorrow at 7 a.m.